Life is just like a journey. What we should care is scenes along the road and the mood of enjoying them. Go away from the hustle and bustle of the city and enjoy the beauty of quietness. From the heart, the journey starts.
In the east of the world, there is a long river with a history of thousands of years. It is endowed with the spirit of the heaven and the earth, with the essence of the sun and the moon. The Yangtze River is like a picture, gorgeous and colorful. The Three Gorges is like a poem, euphemistical and passionate. The waterside flower pining for love sheds petals, while the heartless brook babbles on. Is this the loneliness of the goddess, or the pity of the King Shang? Close your eyes and appreciate this eastern aura, which is given off by the goddess. Through the time tunnel, the goddess liner in the history picture of the Yangtze River, Three Gorges sparks the passion of the time. Start an extravagant trip in the fusion of feelings with a natural setting. Chinese goddess, in her fine craft, portrays the most beautiful gesture, and in her posture to look up at the sky for a long time, expresses the feelings of the beauty and toughness. This cruise ship, connecting cities and landscapes, is the symbol of Chinese civilization. In the luxury cruise ship, experience the high-profile extravagance. In the satisfying service, enjoy the long-lost warmth. In the delicious food, taste the happiness of life. Share your happiness over a cup of wine. The goddess is like a beauty in the boudoir, of whom everyone is fond. Here, touch the pulse of the history. Here, look for the flutter of heart. Here, free yourself. Here, look up at the goddess. Feel the harmony between man and nature, which should only be found on the heavens, but now found on the earth. Chinese goddess is looking forward to meeting you.